Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now, you guys know that I have the 6 Pro, and my wife was looking through the Google store, and she said, how much would it cost to upgrade to a Google Pixel 7 Pro? So she went online, you went through google.com, and I was able to get this phone after I traded in my Pixel 6 Pro, which they gave me $450 for. This phone was $749. This phone's going to cost me around $299. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby. All right, so ready to unbox the Pixel 7 Pro. All right, so let's go ahead and see which way we're going to start with this. Okay, let's go ahead and take, I guess, this off here. Just go ahead. Okay. I think should be able to pull this off. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Google Pixel 7 Pro. So here's the box. Pixel 7 Pro. I got the white one. It was between the white one or the black one, but since my Pixel 6 Pro is black, I'm going to go ahead and try out the white one. So let's go ahead and open this box up here. So just a plain white box. Looks, pretty similar to the Google Pixel 6 Pro box. Now remember, don't expect a charging brick in here, guys, because they're not doing that anymore, especially on these higher end phones. Go ahead and take this off. You won't even need a knife. All right, here we go. Wow, look at that. Google Pixel 7 Pro. Take this bad boy out. All right, so the box just has the, this is an adapter where you can transfer your data. That's pretty cool. Just has the cable in here and pretty much basic stuff. Just like little user's guide here. That's about it. Put that to the side. All right, look at that. Nice and smooth glass back. Triple camera setup. And it's got the aluminum here around the visor, which is really cool. Definitely have to have a case here because this will scratch. So let's go ahead and take off the sticker here. Oof, nice. It's got the curve, but this curve is not as pronounced as it is on the. Go ahead and juice it up and see if there's any power in here. All right, so let this thing load up and put all my information and give you my first thoughts. All right, guys, I'm back. So I set the phone up. I put my face unlock in here, which is great. That is one of the biggest upgrades between the 6 Pro and the 7 Pro is face unlock. Really annoying not having face unlock on the Google Pixel 6 Pro, where you only have to rely on the fingerprint sensor. And even though the fingerprint sensor is good, it's very nice to have the face unlock. So check out how fast the face unlock is on this phone. All right, so just like that, and then swipe up. Let me go ahead and do it again here because the camera's in the way here. So I'll do this again here. All right, so I'm going to shut it down, and then I'm just going to go look directly into it, and swipe, and it's on. Let's see if I can do it here in an angle where you can see me. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that again. So take my word for it, the face unlock is super fast. Let's go ahead and add the fingerprint sensor in here too. All right, so fingerprint, try that. Go ahead and add this one here. All right, fingerprint unlock. Okay, let's go. I agree. Let's go ahead and start doing this. So we're just gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and okay, here we go. So you just gotta do all angles here with the fingerprint. All right. Keep going until it fills up. It gets every part of your fingerprint. All right, almost there. Almost done. All right, there we go. All right, done. We'll do another one later, but let's just see how it works for now. Let's go ahead and do this. Boom. Ultra quick. Wow, super quick. Done. Do the face unlock one more time. There you go. Trust me when I'm saying it's looking at my face. Yep. So anyway, the fingerprint sensor works perfectly. The face unlock works instantly. Um, all in all, I mean, you're getting a hell of a device here. Android 13 straight out of the box. You're good for 3 operating system updates, 5 years of software updates. So far, this looks like a worthy upgrade. Now, one of the big upgrades here is the camera department, where the Pixel 6 Pro had a 20 times zoom lens. This one can go up to 30 times. So my Samsung S21 FE also has 30 times, where I can take some decent pictures of the moon. I'm going to wait to try this one out and take a picture of the moon. That's going to be so cool. I wasn't really able to do it on the Pixel 6 Pro because it is a 20 times zoom. So the zoom, it's going to be better on this phone. Otherwise, you're still getting the same 50 megapixel camera. You're getting the Tensor 2 chip, which is supposed to be, 10% faster or something like that. But all in all, so far, I think this is going to be a worthy upgrade. I'm going to go ahead and play around with it. I'm going to put my SIM in here and then use this as my daily phone for a couple days and give you my updated review. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this content, don't forget, subscribe down below. Until next time, stay blessed and take care.